Welcome to our lesson on exploring visual elements. Today we will learn about shapes, colors, and text. Let's dive into how we can identify and interpret visual elements in art and media. Visual elements are the building blocks of any image or design. They include shapes, colors, lines, textures, and space. Understanding these elements helps us grasp what we see and the messages they convey. Have you ever noticed how different visuals can make you feel? Geometric shapes are regular and defined shapes, like circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. They are often used in math, architecture, and design. Did you know that geometric shapes are used in architecture to create buildings that are strong and stable? Organic shapes are irregular and free-form, resembling shapes found in nature. They can be curves or flowing lines, evoking a sense of softness and movement. Artists use organic shapes to create more natural and lifelike representations. Abstract shapes do not represent real objects. They are used to create feelings, ideas, or concepts, often mixing geometric and organic shapes. Abstract art encourages viewers to interpret what they see in their own way. Lines can vary in thickness, length, direction, and style. They can be straight, curved, zigzagged, or dashed. Lines create movement, depth, and emotion in a visual. What emotions do you feel when you see a thick, bold line compared to a thin, delicate line? Colors play a significant role in conveying feelings. For instance, red can represent excitement or anger, while blue often feels calm and peaceful. Different cultures associate colors with various meanings. What color makes you feel happy? Write it down in your notebook and explain why. Visual texts serve various purposes: to inform, persuade, entertain, or express emotions. Recognizing the purpose helps us understand the message behind the visual. Images and ideas can influence our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Advertisers and artists use specific visual elements to capture our attention and create a desired response. Recognizing slogans. A slogan is a catchy phrase used to promote a product, idea, or campaign. It is often easy to remember and connects with the audience. Can you think of a slogan for your favorite snack or toy? Share it with your classmates. Headings and subtitles help organize text and make it easier to navigate. They guide the reader and give hints about what the text will cover. Why do you think headings are important in a story or article? How do they help you as a reader? Some images show real things, while others are imaginary or fictional. It's important to recognize the difference, especially in media. Fact images present true information based on reality, while non-fact images may not be true or exaggerated for effect. How can we tell if an image is fact or non-fact? What clues can we look for? Let's remember what we learned today about visual elements. We explored geometric, organic, and abstract shapes, how to interpret lines and colors, and identifying purposes, slogans, headings, as well as real versus make-believe and fact versus non-fact images. Which visual element do you feel or do you find most interesting and why? Now that we understand visual elements, it's time to create our own visual art using what we've learned. Use geometric, organic, or abstract shapes to make your artwork. Don't forget to include the slogan or heading that describes your art. Be creative and have fun. Remember to use colors that express your feelings and make your artwork pop.